she's gonna get her fingers, Mother.
Izzy.
Is hers washable?
Which
Just don't let her put them in her mouth after.
Yeah.
No.
All right, ready? Here's an egg. You're starting. Ready to start.
Can you get paper towels?
We're starting? Nope. Do you want to do
Starting.
pink?
Yeah, you
Pink?
guys can put them in.
Starting. Now remember.
Give your
soft.
crayon.
Hang on.
Use it first.
Hold your
Yeah, I'm
egg
gonna use
dropper.
Soft. Here's one.
Look at this, Nana. We're doing
Ooh,
good.
job.
How do I
Okay,
do it?
just sit them in. Remember, hold it like this,
Okay.
and then you let go like that, and then you just. Let
Do you want to do blue?
And then you let it down. See, like that. And if you want to, putting it in, you can
I'll do
just sit
blue.
it in with your
Blue.
fingers.
Ready?
Like this. You want
Ready
me
to
to
do
drop one in?
blue?
Okay, ready?
Oh, such a big girl.
Now what color do you want?
Pink.
Just let it go.
Are you gonna
Let
do
go.
it?
Let it go.
Yes.
Here, grab a hold of it.
Good job.
Okay.
Okay.
Grab
You want
a
to do
Do
hold
that with
green?
this one now.
Green.
There you go. Ready?
Green.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, pick it up and put it in.
I want to do pink.
You do
You want to do
pink?
more pink?
Put one in the next
Well,
one.
we gotta. You want to put one in
Put it
purple?
that one.
Okay.
All right,
Your
here you go,
orange is
Mommy.
last.
Okay.
Orange?
You mind?
Good job, Madison. Just
There we
drop
go.
it in.
There you
Now
go.
wipe it off.
One more time.
Okay.
Wipe it off.
Well,
All done.
we've
We gotta
used all our
wait.
colors.
Good job, Jenna.
You have to
Good
wait.
job, baby.
You have to just wait and let them color, okay?
No, 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 no.
Can she use yellow?
Yeah, right now.